IT Solutions Private Limited. Today we are discussing about why should learn ServiceNow. Why should learn ServiceNow? Okay, learning ServiceNow is a valuable investment for your career. Learning ServiceNow is a valuable investment for our career career due to its a growing demand in the IT. It's a growing demand, growing demand in the IT and business. Okay, learning service now is a valuable investment for your career due to its growing demand in the IT and business world. Okay, what are the some reasons? Reasons. First one is high demand for service now professionals. High demand, high demand for service now professionals. Okay, high demand for service now professionals. Now observing very clearly, many organizations are adopting ServiceNow for IT service management, workflow automation, and digital transformation. Many organizations, many organizations adopt ServiceNow, ServiceNow for ITSM, information technology, information technology, service management, service management. Next one, workflow automation, workflow automation, and a digital transformation, This is the first reason, high demand for ServiceNow professionals. Okay, many organizations adopt ServiceNow for ITSM, information technology service management, workflow automation, and digital transformation. Digital transformation. This is the first reason. Next one, this demand translates into wealth of career opportunities. Wealth of career opportunities. Second reason, competitive salaries. Competitive salaries. Competitive salaries. ServiceNow professionals are among the highest paid in the IT industry. ServiceNow professionals are among the highest paid. ServiceNow professionals, ServiceNow professionals are among the highest paid in the IT industry. In the IT industry. Okay, here the roles are ServiceNow developer, ServiceNow architect, administrator. Okay, different roles are there. Roles like ServiceNow developer. Next one, admin. Next one, solution architect. Next one, consultant, and etc. These are the roles. Next, third one is versatility across industries. Versatilities, versatilities across industries. Across industries. That means in any industry we are using ServiceNow. ServiceNow is used so many industries. ServiceNow is used across various in demand domains like IT, healthcare, healthcare, finance, 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 retail, retail, and government sectors, and so on. Okay, versatilities across industry. ServiceNow is used across various domains like IT, healthcare, finance, retail, different domains we are using. This versatility mean learning ServiceNow open the doors to multiple industries. Okay, this versatility means learning ServiceNow opens doors to multiple industries. Next, another reason, comprehensive skill set. Comprehensive skill set. Comprehensive skill set. ServiceNow combines various technologies such as cloud computing, ITSM, ITOM, HR service delivery, DevOps, workflow automation, different. Okay, here observing very clearly, ServiceNow is a combination of ServiceNow is a combination of combination of different technologies, different technologies like cloud computing, ITSM, ITOM, ITBM, ITAM. That means information technology, service management, information technology, operation management, information technology, business management, information technology, asset management, HRSD. Okay, HRSD, human resource service delivery. Next one, CRM, customer relational management, customer support, customer support management or service customer service management. Next, SecOps, security and operations. Next, DevOps, and so many technologies we are combining. Learning it equipped with the deserved skill set, making a versatile IT professionals. Next one, simplified learning curve. Simplified learning curve. Simplified learning curve. That means ServiceNow offers an initiative and a user-friendly platform that is relatively easy to learn even for those with the limit coding experience. Easy to learn, easy to learn even for those with limited coding experience. Simplified learning curve. Next, career growth and certifications. Career growth, career growth and certifications. certifications, career growth and certifications. Now observing very clearly, ServiceNow offers clear certification path, including roles like certified system administrator, certified implementation specialist, and certified application developer. Okay, these certifications validate your expertise and boost your employability. Next, driving digital transformation. Driving digital transformation. Driving digital transformation. That means observing very clearly, ServiceNow is a leading platform for workflow automation and digital transformation. Skills highly sought after the modern organization. ServiceNow is a leading leading platform leading platform for workflow automation, workflow automation, workflow automation, and digital transformation. Digital transformation. ServiceNow is a leading platform for workflow automation and digital transformation. Next, another reason, scalability, scalability and global presence, global presence, Shall- scalability and the global presence. ServiceNow is used by Fortune 500 companies and startups. ServiceNow is used by ServiceNow is used by Fortune. That means top MNC companies, 500 companies and startups also. Okay, scalability and global present. ServiceNow is used by Fortune 500 companies and startups also. Next one, future proof career. Another reason, future proof career. Future proof career. That means observing very clearly, ServiceNow is expanding its portfolio with emerging technologies like AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics. ServiceNow is expanding its portfolio. ServiceNow is expanding portfolio, its portfolio with the emerging technologies like AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and predictive analysis, predictive analytics. ServiceNow is expanding its portfolio with the emerging technologies like AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics. Alignment with the IT trends. Okay, and so many reasons are there. These are the reasons should learn ServiceNow. Okay, why should learn ServiceNow? Learning ServiceNow is a valuable investment for your career due to its growing demand in the IT and the business world. Okay, first reason, high demand for ServiceNow professionals. Second one, competitive salaries. Next one, versatilities across industries. And the fourth one is a comprehensive skill set. Next one, simplified learning curve and career growth and certifications. driving digital transformation and scalability and global presence and future-proof career. ServiceNow is expanding its portfolio with emerging technologies like AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics. This is about why should learn ServiceNow. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. If any